Hello friends, today we are going to study or to learn how to create custom views in Excel sheet. Before going to start the lecture, I would request you to please subscribe my channel and check all of the videos in this Excel learning course. Today we are going to add the 25th lecture on custom views. So let's get back to the Excel so that we can do or learn the lecture of today. This is the data that I have, and I want to convert this data in different custom views. My friends, you have to present your data to different people and according to their needs. For example, the person who is the sales manager, or you can say, first of all, we take the example of the customer. The customer want to check this information. He just want to check what is the product and what is its price. He does not have any kind of business with checking the how many units have been sold or the revenues of the business. So the customer only want to check the price and the item of the the item and its price. And then there is another person who would want to check the item, its price, and how many units have been sold. That person can be a salesperson. And then there is someone else who is interested to look at what are the products which have been sold and what is the revenue that has been generated in the day, or maybe in the month, or maybe in the year. So how do you present a custom view to a specific person who is concerned about the business? So first of all, I want to create a custom view for the customer who is interested to check only the item and its price. I want to show only these two columns and want to hide these two columns from the customer. I would click on these two columns and click on hide. This is the first step. The second step is to go to views and then custom views, and then here add the customer view, and then click on OK. Now, second step is to create a view for the sales manager. So I would first of all unhide the cells. Now I want to show only only these columns to the sales person and want to hide this column. Click on it and hide, and then go to views, custom data, and click on add and give it a name, sales person, and then click on OK. And then I want to create a view for the sales manager, or maybe for the owner of the business who is interested to check only how many units have been sold and what is the revenue. So I would hide these columns and go to views and custom views and create sales manager view and click on OK. Now we have created three different views for three different people. So if I want to check the view created for the salesperson, I would click on salesperson and click on show. This would show only the columns that have been allowed to be shown to the salesperson. Now, again, go to, I'm sorry for this. Click on custom views and click on customer view and click on show. This is the view that we want to show to customer only. And then again, go to custom views and click on sales manager view and click on show. This is the view that we want to show to the sales manager or to the owner. So this was how we create custom views for different people. If you like this video, then please click on like button and subscribe to this channel.